High in the snow-capped mountains of Japan, a unique society thrives. The Japanese macaque, often known as the snow monkey, has mastered an existence where few primates dare to tread. With eyes that convey profound wisdom and social structures as intricate as our own, these resilient creatures navigate harsh winters by bathing in geothermal hot springs. Their intelligence is evident in their adaptable behaviors, from meticulous grooming rituals that strengthen familial bonds to their innovative use of natural resources. They are a testament to adaptation, a living enigma shrouded in the mist of ancient forests. From the twilight forests of Japan emerges a creature steeped in folklore and mystery, the Tanuki. Not a raccoon, nor truly a dog, this enigmatic canid holds a unique place in the island's ecosystem and cultural imagination. Primarily nocturnal, the Tanuki is a master of camouflage, moving silently through the undergrowth on its endless quest for food, a true omnivore of the forest floor. Its distinctive mask-like facial markings hint at its elusive nature, a spectral presence that slips between the veil of myth and reality, constantly seeking, rarely seen. Across the verdant landscapes of Japan, a creature of elegant beauty roams, the Sika deer. Named for its Sika, or Shika, deer, call, this species is instantly recognizable by its striking white spots, which, for many, evoke images of sacred, ancient forests. These highly adaptable deer thrive in diverse environments, from dense woodlands to open grasslands, displaying a resilience that has allowed them to endure for millennia. In the autumn, the forests echo with the deep, resonant roars of stags, a primal declaration of territory and dominance, a timeless ritual beneath the turning leaves. High in the remote, craggy peaks of Japan, a solitary silhouette defies gravity. This is the Japanese serow, a mysterious goat antelope, an ancient relic perfectly adapted to its unforgiving mountain domain. With hooves designed for extreme grip and a thick, shaggy coat offering insulation against the biting cold, the serow navigates sheer rock faces with uncanny agility. Elusive and reclusive, it moves like a ghost through the mist-shrouded slopes, feeding on vegetation that few other creatures can reach. It is a symbol of wild, untamed Japan, a living link to primeval alpine landscapes. Grace embodied, the red-crowned crane, or tancho, glides across the winter skies of Hokkaido. A potent symbol of longevity and fidelity, its pristine white plumage, stark black accents, and a distinctive crimson crown paint a living masterpiece against the stark landscape. These magnificent birds are renowned for their intricate, synchronized courtship dances, a breathtaking ballet of leaps and calls that speaks to an ancient, powerful bond. Yet, beneath their serene beauty lies a fragile existence, a species teetering on the brink, reminding us of the delicate balance of life in the wild. Hidden beneath the surface of Japan's ancient, crystal-clear rivers dwells a true relic of the primeval world, the Japanese giant salamander. Reaching astonishing lengths, this nocturnal amphibian is a living fossil, an apex predator of the freshwater realm. Its mottled skin offers perfect camouflage against the riverbed, allowing it to lie in wait, patiently ambushing unsuspecting fish and insects. A creature of immense power and silent dignity, its continued existence is a testament to the purity of these ancient waterways, a whispered secret from the depths. A flash of amber and sinewy grace, the Japanese weasel is a relentless hunter, a blur of motion through the undergrowth. Smaller than its European counterparts, this agile predator exhibits a fierce determination, relentlessly pursuing prey through dense forests and across open fields. Its sleek body and keen senses make it a formidable force against rodents and small birds. Elusive and territorial, the weasel lives a life of constant vigilance, a shadowy presence that ensures the delicate balance of its ecosystem, a silent, swift assassin of the wild. In the emerald depths of Japan's forests, a creature of striking beauty and arboreal agility makes its home. The Japanese marten, with its rich brown fur and distinctive yellowish-orange throat patch, is a nocturnal hunter, a graceful phantom of the treetops. Possessing acute senses and an unparalleled ability to navigate the canopy, it preys on small mammals, birds, and insects. Its life is a constant dance between the branches and the forest floor, a testament to its adaptability and its vital role as a silent guardian of the ancient woods. Beneath the cloak of twilight, a powerful digger emerges from its subterranean fortress. The Japanese badger, a solitary and often misunderstood mammal, is a creature of the night, its existence largely hidden from human eyes. With powerful claws and an acute sense of smell, it forages tirelessly for insects, roots, and fruits, shaping the forest floor with its industrious excavations. Yet, its secretive nature belies a profound vulnerability. Habitat loss and human encroachment threaten its ancient way of life. It is a quiet survivor, fighting for its place in a changing world. Hailing from the frozen wilderness of Hokkaido, a colossal shadow glides silently above the snow-laden rivers. This is Blakiston's fish owl, the largest living owl species, an apex predator of the aquatic realm. With piercing yellow eyes and immense talons, it is a master of the hunt, patiently waiting by open stretches of water, even in the harshest winters, to snatch unsuspecting fish. Its haunting calls echo through the desolate landscapes, a primal sound from a creature that embodies the raw, untamed spirit of the far north, a true monarch of the night. Deep within the secluded, ancient forests of Japan, a flash of metallic iridescence catches the light. The copper pheasant, an endemic jewel, moves with cautious elegance through the undergrowth. The male's plumage, a breathtaking mosaic of coppery red and purple, shimmers like polished metal, a vibrant spectacle displayed during elaborate courtship rituals. Shy and reclusive, this magnificent bird is a living testament to the unique biodiversity of the Japanese archipelago, a fleeting glimpse of wild beauty that remains largely unseen, a hidden gem of the forest floor. Across the rolling hills and rice paddies of Japan, a creature of vibrant legend takes flight. The Japanese green pheasant, or kiji, is not merely a bird, it is the national symbol, a creature woven into the very fabric of the nation's mythology. The male's iridescent green and purple plumage is a spectacular display, a living jewel against the verdant landscape. Though often elusive, its distinctive call echoes across the countryside, a proud proclamation of its presence. It is a symbol of resilience, beauty, and the enduring spirit of Japan's natural world. On the remote, subtropical island of Iriomote, a ghost of the wild lingers. The Iriomote cat, a critically endangered and ancient lineage of wildcat, prowls the dense jungle undergrowth, a nocturnal hunter existing on the knife edge of extinction. Its small, elusive form and unique genetic heritage mark it as a living fossil, a link to prehistoric feline ancestors. Each movement is a testament to survival, every hunt a desperate plea for existence in a shrinking world. It is a precious, fragile enigma, a symbol of the wild's fading whispers. Across the waters, on the isolated island of Tsushima, another rare feline phantom stalks the twilight. The Tsushima leopard cat, a distinct subspecies, shares a similar plight to its Iriomote cousin, critically endangered, a remnant of a more ancient time. Its spotted coat and piercing eyes belong to a creature perfectly adapted to its island domain, an agile predator navigating dense forests and coastal fringes. Elusive and solitary, its survival is a precarious balance, a testament to the persistent wild that clings to existence against the relentless tide of human expansion. Deep within the temperate forests of Japan, a tiny, arboreal enigma sleeps. The Japanese dormouse, a creature of profound mystery, spends much of its life in a state of torpor or deep hibernation, emerging only in the embrace of night. Its large eyes and delicate form are perfectly suited for navigating the canopy, where it forages for fruits, insects, and nectar. A silent, often unseen inhabitant, this diminutive mammal is a vital, yet fragile, component of the forest's nocturnal tapestry, a hidden jewel of the Japanese woodlands. As twilight descends upon Japan's ancient forests, a silent, vast shadow takes to the sky. The Japanese giant flying squirrel, with its enormous eyes and expansive patagium, is a master of nocturnal locomotion, gliding effortlessly between treetops. It does not fly, but rather falls with exquisite control, covering impressive distances with ethereal grace. Each leap from a high branch initiates a silent descent, a whisper of movement across the moonlit canopy, an illusion of flight in the heart of the darkened woods, a truly breathtaking spectacle. Across the varied landscapes of Japan, from snowy mountains to coastal plains, the Japanese hare navigates its solitary existence. This adaptable lagomorph is a creature of keen senses and incredible speed, often relying on bursts of acceleration to evade predators. Its coat can vary in color, sometimes displaying unique patterns or even turning white in northern, snowy regions, a testament to its resilience. Elusive and often overlooked, the Japanese hare is a quiet survivor, a testament to the enduring wildness that persists even in a densely populated nation. Against the twilight canvas of Japan's southern islands, a gentle giant takes wing. The Ryukyu flying fox, one of the largest bat species, is a crucial pollinator and seed disperser, a living engine of its subtropical ecosystem. With an impressive wingspan and keen senses, these fruit bats navigate the night sky in search of ripe sustenance. Yet, their majestic flight belies a precarious existence. Habitat destruction and human encroachment threaten their populations. They are a powerful symbol of the fragile beauty of the Ryukyu archipelago, a silent guardian of the night. With the arrival of warmer rains, a symphony of tiny voices erupts from Japan's wetlands and forests. The Japanese tree frog, a small amphibian with vibrant green skin, adorns leaves and reeds, its specialized toe pads allowing it to cling effortlessly. Its chorus, a rhythmic chirping, fills the night air, an ancient serenade announcing the cycles of life and regeneration. These delicate creatures are vital bioindicators, their presence a testament to the health of their aquatic habitats, a poignant reminder of nature's delicate balance. Coiled silently among the branches, or gliding through sun-dappled fields, the Japanese rat snake is a formidable, yet non-venomous, presence. Reaching impressive lengths, its slender body, often adorned with subtle patterns, allows it to move with graceful efficiency. An agile climber, it ascends trees in pursuit of birds and their eggs, or stalks rodents on the forest floor. Often misunderstood and feared, this powerful constrictor plays a vital role in its ecosystem, a silent guardian of nature's intricate web. On the lush, secluded island of Okinawa, a unique avian enigma exists. The Okinawa rail, a flightless bird found nowhere else on Earth, navigates the dense, subtropical forests with a quiet dignity. Evolving in the absence of terrestrial predators, it lost the power of flight, adapting to a terrestrial existence. Its vibrant plumage and distinctive call are a testament to island biogeography, a living relic of evolutionary isolation. Critically endangered, its survival is a precarious dance, a haunting reminder of the fragility of endemic species. From the frigid, windswept coasts of Hokkaido, a true titan of the sky reigns supreme. Steller's sea eagle, the heaviest eagle in the world, possesses an awe-inspiring wingspan and powerful talons, perfectly adapted to its role as an apex coastal predator. With piercing yellow eyes, it surveys the icy waters for fish and carrion, a symbol of raw, untamed power against the stark, beautiful backdrop of the northern seas. Its immense presence and regal bearing make it a majestic, undeniable force of nature. Deep within the abyssal plains off Japan's coast lurks a creature of truly monstrous proportions. The Japanese spider crab, with a leg span that can exceed 12 feet, is the largest known arthropod on Earth. This ancient leviathan navigates the crushing pressures and perpetual darkness of the ocean floor, a living relic from a time when giants roamed the deep. Its slow, deliberate movements and otherworldly appearance evoke a sense of profound mystery, a whispered secret from the ocean's most extreme depths. In the inky blackness of Toyama Bay, a breathtaking spectacle unfolds each spring. The Japanese firefly squid, Watassenia scintillans, ascends from the deep, transforming the ocean into a cosmic tapestry of pulsating blue light. Millions of these bioluminescent cephalopods gather, their photophores igniting in an ephemeral dance of light, a silent, mesmerizing courtship ritual. This fleeting phenomenon is a profound reminder of the ocean's hidden wonders, a living light show from the deep, forever etched in the annals of marine mystery. Deep in the forested heartlands of Japan, a robust and often reclusive omnivore roams. The Asian black bear, with its distinctive white crescent mark on its chest, is a creature of immense strength and adaptability. Primarily a solitary forest dweller, it forages for berries, nuts, and insects, playing a crucial role in seed dispersal and ecosystem health. Though largely elusive, human encroachment increasingly brings these powerful animals into conflict with our world. It is a symbol of Japan's enduring wildness, a majestic yet vulnerable presence. A phantom of the past, the Japanese wolf, or Honshu wolf, is an echo from a wilder Japan, its haunting howls now forever silenced. Once an apex predator across the archipelago, this smaller, enigmatic subspecies was tragically driven to extinction in the early 20th century. Its legend, however, persists, woven into folklore and the collective memory of a nation. We can only imagine its silent prowl through ancient forests, its keen senses guiding it through a landscape now irrevocably altered. A poignant reminder of what we have lost, and a somber warning for the future.